Gambling. Gambling? Anyone? No. How much you want to bet I can get through this in 5 minutes? No, I'm kidding. I'm joking. It's in poor taste. I apologize. Okay. But the reason I've done gambling after alcohol is because I put them in the same sort of category. They're, in fact, in very, very similar categories. Gambling became legal in 94. What does the Bible say about it? Honestly, not a whole lot. But it does give us two excellent principles, two excellent guidelines that are going to help us navigate this gray area. Number one, the Bible teaches us, it warns us to stay away from the love of money. Okay? Hebrews 13:5 says, keep your lives free from the love of money and be content with what you have. Hold that in one part of your mind right now. The second principle the Bible gives us is to stay away from get-rich-quick schemes. And so, again, there's many verses. I picked Proverbs 13:11. It says this, wealth from get-rich-quick schemes quickly disappears. Wealth from hard work grows over time. So, gambling is focused on the love of money and definitely tempts people with the promises of quick and easy riches, right? So, like drinking, if gambling is done in moderation and only on occasion, that could be a waste of money. It could be poor stewardship, but it's not sinful. The problem comes when you consistently are spending more time and more money gambling than you plan or want to. This can become a full-on addiction that can destroy you if you aren't careful. And again, it's possible that someone listening or someone here could have a problem in this area. I really want to encourage you to seek help. I want to encourage you to do that. There are places and people that can help, that can walk this road with you, and certainly that road can start even in a space like this where we are praying with you and for you. But don't start tomorrow. Get help today. Speak to someone you trust and love today. There is no reason we need to be bound by anything for any longer than we need to be bound by it. And so seek help. Okay,